Meaning of exotic.
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 Exotic. The word exotic refers to something that is unusual, rare, or foreign in origin. It typically evokes a sense of fascination and excitement due to its unique and different qualities. The term can apply to a variety of things, such as plants, animals, cuisine, clothing, or travel destinations. Exotic items or experiences are often seen as desirable and sought after by people who crave new and interesting things. However, the use of the word can also perpetuate cultural stereotypes and marginalize groups who are deemed exotic by others.